Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another quick, easy mod that can be done on any car actually. As you've already seen from the thumbnail, it gives the car a much better look, especially if you've colour coded other parts of the car. Now this can be done with either, like I've done, by using upgraded mist jets instead of the standard jets. But if you'd rather just pop them out, paint them and then put them back in, it's the same process entirely. So I hope this video finds it useful for anyone that's either wanting to paint their own or have bought upgraded parts like what I'm using. So if you open the bonnet, you should be able to see the pipes that are fastened underneath the bonnet. The only tools you'll need for this is possibly a screwdriver, although you may be able to do it just with your fingers. So to start off with, you'll just need to pull the pipe off the washer jet itself. This isn't pressured, so you may only get a few drips, and all you need to do is use a screwdriver just to push the clip inwards, and the washer jet should hopefully then push upwards through the bonnet. So this is the old one, and you can see the clips just underneath. And just for comparison, side by side, the new one that's freshly painted. So obviously with years of these being in place, you more than likely have some dirt that's underneath, as you can see. So it's always good practice to get rid of this before putting the new one on. So I'm just going to use a bit of detailing spray, which I've got. Should do the trick, just to remove any of this dirt. And then just for good measure, a bit of spray wax that I've got, just to give it a bit of protection. So if you take the new jet, it simply pops in from the top as the way it came out. Now what you want to do is make sure that the seal that's underneath sits all the way around nicely, just to stop any water from going through the bonnet. And then when this is in place, just push the pipe back on. And as you can see, the painted jet alongside the standard. So this other jet, which obviously I'm not going to show you because it's the same process, just unclips the same way. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell if you like. Thanks for watching.